you're thinking about outfit idea for this Christmas season, why not go natural and wild?
That's right.
Alright, so let's be real. Some of us queens actually have a blue Christmas, and I want to just say this dress is the main focus of outfit number one. It is an animal print dress that I paired off with jewel tone flip flops, and it's really easy to wear, very simple. It doesn't cling too much to the body, and I love it. I love the fact that you can pair it off with a double layer choker and a jacket, a vest, a sleeveless vest that is a gorgeous green color. It is actually extra large, but it fits well enough, and I love it. So this is my first outfit. Now on to outfit number two, a lightweight denim dress. Yes, and I paired this one with a necklace, gold, a chunky gold link, as well as about 5 thick petal roses on the necklace. This bag is super soft with clutch. It has multi-colored woven texture on it. It can match anything that you pair off with it, and of course, hey, back to those slippers, right? So what's awesome about this dress is that it has a vented back, and perfect for the beach, because listen, this is as close as we get to snow on Christmas Day. So make sure you wear this dress with the correct undergarments. Is it just me, or am I the only one who loves the way that glasses look? What a year 2020 has been. It's been a trying year. And I know it's okay to stop and reflect a little. Reflect a little, and eventually remember to take your bag, your goals, your dreams, your vision, and just keep going. Just keep pressing. Just keep moving forward. And eventually, congratulations, you didn't quit. Look at all of this texture. It's actually inspiration for the next outfit. Let's take a look. Another beach outfit. This ruffle top is moving like the ocean, and I love the simplicity of it. I paired it off with a pair of shorts that are green and patterned like the greenery around me, and of course I've incorporated a sand-colored loafer, which is textured and a perfect wash. Let me tell you a little secret about this particular ruffle top. It is actually back out, but I'm going to spare you the details this time around and let you know that it is a super comfortable top, and I really like it. It's such a blessing to really be outside, outdoors, and just watch nature unfold. And you know, it's interesting, we had that blessing taken away from us for a couple of months, but I guess the good news is we are more appreciative of nature and what we actually have. So I'm at least grateful that I can be outside again. Outfit number 4 is elegant and simple. I paired it off with metallic glasses and the choker, as well as the dual tone slippers. Simple. This holiday season, don't take yourself too seriously. Enjoy the small things in life. I'm absolutely loving this dress. Don't forget to give back. And really appreciate life. I absolutely love the sleeves of this dress. It's sheer fluffy and it reminds me of home. It's very delicate and elegant. You see that this beach is full of statement pieces on its shores and of course the magnificent ocean sky. Blue. So here we have our final outfit and I've added statement earrings, that familiar choker. Hey, loving that bag. And this incredible royal blue dress. It is luscious with those jewel tone slippers and it has a lot of movement in the lower part of the dress and it's almost like a halter, but the back has thin crisscross straps. Now ladies, as we come to the close of this video and this year, I want you to engage in activities that are lifting you higher and elevating you into your purpose and into your true identity. And I want to wish you an amazing journey. Here in St. Martin, you can purchase these pieces at Tina's Accessories in St. Quarter.